Is your HyperX Cloud 3 microphone not working on Windows 11? The most common cause is incorrect permissions. Windows 11 requires explicit microphone access for applications. To fix this, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone. Ensure that microphone access is toggled on. Then check the list of apps and make sure the toggle is enabled for the specific applications you're using, like Discord, Zoom, or your game. Granting these permissions resolves the majority of mic detection or mute issues. If permissions are correct and the microphone still isn't working, address potential driver issues. First, try updating drivers through Device Manager. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Then expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click on your HyperX Cloud 3 microphone and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, download the latest drivers from the HyperX website. Uninstall the existing drivers first, then install the downloaded ones. Also, consider using the HyperX NUI software for driver updates and EQ settings. Make sure to test different USB ports, as port inconsistencies can also cause problems.